Malo Elele, I'm Harlim.
Yorana, I'm Joe.
From the islands to every corner of the globe,
We are connecting the Pacific to you.
this is
D for Diaspora. Today we are going to show you how to make a Kiki. In Samoa and across the Pacific, we have many variations. A Kiki is pretty much just something that we wear around our waist and we use for dancing. So today, instead of using feathers, we are going to use leaves.
And all you need for this is a pair of scissors, some fishing line, some ribbon, a needle, and some vibes.
So you just want to get your fishing line and measure from your waist to your desired length, and then give it a cut. And then thread your fishing line.
Because how many pieces are we gonna have dangling off the one line?
We want to make about 8 of these.
So once your needle is prepared like so, now we just wanna pick off all the leaves.
Now, you can use any leaves that you can find. You can use hibiscus fiber, you can use ribbon.
You can tell who does this often and who doesn't.
Never done it for hour in his life. Kamaiki leo. Living here in Australia, we don't have access to a lot of the things we have back in the islands. So my nana's just found alternatives to things over the years. So we can still do things even though we're diaspora. Once you've got all your leaves prepared, you're going to fold them behind, thread it straight onto the needle.
Oh, okay, that's nice and simple.
Just simple. And again, you've got to just trust the process. At first, you're like, oh, doesn't look like anything.
Once your bundles are all prepared, you do just want to put a knot at the end.
So now we want to prepare our ribbon. That's what we're going to tie all our bundles on. So you want to make sure you give enough so there's excess to tie it.
So tie it right in the middle, just like this. And there you have it.
Your Kiki. I reckon you should put it on.
I reckon so too.
I reckon you're ready to dance.
I reckon I am too.
I reckon you prepared an item for us earlier.
I sure did.
Wow. So there you have it, guys. This is how to make a Kiki and how to look like moe moana sapa to a swanky.
Thank you so much. This is just one of many ways to help us stay connected to our culture.
This is D for Diaspora.